Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum radiant students. Congratulations on your promotion in the next class. This is your physics class now and we will start with unit number 10.
Bachcho, do you remember the word vibration from 9th class? Yes, it is the to and fro motion of a body about a fixed point. The best example is swing. I will go for a little bit of reminder because the whole next chapter is based on this particular type of motion. This is the 3D view of the swing, but if I go for the side view, this is the side view. Initially the swing is at rest. This fixed position or the position in which the swing is at rest is known as mean position. After that, when we start taking the swing, how we move? We move like this. At our back we move to a point. After that our motion stops. Again we move back to the fixed position, but we don't stop here. We move ahead of it to another point in front of us. After reaching this point, our swing will again come back to the fixed position. Again it will not stop here, it will move back, and in this way this sort of motion will carry on. Now this position which you take on your front, it is the maximum position. The swing cannot go beyond this. So this maximum position is known as extreme position. If you look at this point, the swing, when it will come here, it will start moving back. So this position is the maximum reachable position. The swing cannot go behind this at any moment. So this is also known as the extreme position. So two important points associated with vibration are the mean position and the extreme positions. In this chapter we will study a special type of vibration that is known as simple harmonic motion.
Now we will describe simple harmonic motion. The technical definition is: it is a to and fro oscillatory motion in which acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. This is a very long definition. It seems to be tough, but we will break it in parts. First part is it is a to and fro oscillatory motion. The next part is acceleration is always directed towards the mean position. And the last part is acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position.
Now I will discuss the definition of simple harmonic motion with you. The mathematical expression that describes the simple harmonic motion is A proportional to minus x, where A stands for acceleration and x stands for displacement, and displacement here means particularly how much the body is away from the mean position. If the body is at the mean position, the displacement is 0, and if the body is at the extreme position, the displacement is maximum. Now as the body starts moving away from the mean position, the displacement will start to increase, so will the acceleration. And when the body will move away from the mean position, displacement will increase and acceleration will also increase. Now, if the body is moving towards the mean position, the displacement will decrease, and when the displacement will decrease, the acceleration of the body will also decrease. So this A proportional to x, ignore the negative sign right now, will give you the magnitude of acceleration when a body is executing simple harmonic motion. So here I can conclude the acceleration produced in the body is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from the mean position. Now comes the second point, that is direction of the acceleration. As all of you know that acceleration is a vector, so it will be having magnitude as well as direction. So I asked you to ignore the negative sign. Now ignore the rest of the thing, only consider the negative sign. Now a minus x. This negative sign shows that direction of acceleration will always be opposite to the direction of displacement. Now, in which direction the displacement takes place? We move away from the mean position. So, where the acceleration will be? It will be towards the mean position all the time.